In this video, I'll show you how to add music bots in Discord. So if you look right now, I've been able to add two bots here on my Discord server. I've been able to add the Dino bot and the support bot. So if you love to add your music bot, what you need to do, go to your browser. So I'm currently using my Safari. Type in discord.bots.gg. So this is going to come out. So this is where you can be able to add up bots on your Discord. So come here at the top, you're going to be able to see search for some bots. I'm going to type in music. So you can be able to see a whole lot of different bots that are used for music. So this jockey music is currently in 1.3 million servers. So there's a whole lot of them. So just come on here, click on invite. So I want to add it to my server. So I'll just wait for it to open up. So I'm going to click on continue, click on this. So you can see it's used in more than 7 million servers. So this bot is really okay for you. So it has been active since 10th February 2018. So you can see it. I just added this music bot in my Discord server. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.